Alright, let's talk just a little bit about how simple bay windows are. You know, I've had people tell me many times, you know, that try to make triangles more difficult than they need to be, and it's a half a rectangle. You know, and if you put the pieces together, you've got two rectangles in this bay window. You've got the two triangles that makes one rectangle, and then we've got a rectangle in the middle. So it's not complicated measurements. Just, you know, try to keep in mind the big picture when they're doing these. Alright, if you look at the math on this bay window, I mean, we've got a total of 27 square feet. We've got 6 by 3 for 18 square feet. Then we've got 3 by 3 divided by 2, or 4.5 square feet in each triangle. Well, we got 2 triangles, so we got 9 square feet total in there. So it's really, you know, it's not a complicated measurement. Just take your time and think about them. Really, the formula of a triangle is, you know, take the two numbers of the triangle, the out and the over, and divide that by 2. It's just that simple, guys. This is obviously the bay window here, and what's a little unusual is this doesn't go all the way down to the floor. So is this finished living area or what? And actually we can't tell from out here. Now remember your bay window measurements. You know, you're coming out and over. Remember whether you want to call it out and over, rise and run, whatever. Out and over, you're measuring the distance across the middle section, and then you're doing out and over again. But let's go inside and see if this actually is considered finished living area. The answer to our question is yes, this is finished living area. When we come inside, we obviously see we've got the same ceiling height as the rest of the downstairs area. We've got floor space underneath. So we know that this is finished living area. We actually have a heat vent. I'm not sure where the pipe goes under that since there's nothing on the bottom there, but this meets all the criteria for finished living area. Let's look at just a few examples of bay windows. This one, yes, this one is included in the finished living area. It goes all the way to the ground. This one is included. Guys, there's so many different varieties of these, you know, some from bathrooms, living rooms, wherever they are. This is one that would be included in the GLA. However, this one does not meet the criteria. It doesn't have flooring underneath and a ceiling height that is acceptable. You know, there's so many different styles, it's hard to say, and I'm just giving you, you know, some images to show you the different kinds that are out there. But if you see something like this, this blue house, you know, that is not included in the GLA. You know, sure, that space has utility, window seat, whatever it is, but it must have a finished floor and a ceiling height that is similar to the rest of the finished living area. You know, just make sure it fits all the criteria for everything that you would include as gross living area or finished square footage. But you know, this one is just a window box. It is not included. This one, not included. You know, just take each one individually and make sure that it is finished space before you include it.